Would it free me from this small, decades-long lie, or just shatter a perfectly good memory for her? A few years ago, she almost caught me. She was back from college, rearranging her old room, and she picked up the bird, tracing a faint, almost invisible scratch on its base. "Mom," she said. "I remember scratching my initial into everything back then." "See? M for Maya." My heart stopped. It was Mark's initial, clear as day. I blurted out something about how it probably just looked like an M, a crack from drying, and she just shrugged and put it back. The relief washed over me, cold and instant, followed by the familiar ache of my deception. It still sits there now, holding its silent vigil, a tiny monument to a mother's clumsy attempt to preserve a moment of childish joy. I often wonder if she'll eventually pass it down, telling her own children the story of the lopsided bird, unknowingly carrying my little secret into the next generation.